Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda. وإذ قال موسى لقومه يا قوم اذكروا نعمة الله عليكم إذ جعل فيكم أنبياء وجعلكم ملوكا وآتاكم ما لم يؤت أحدا من العالمين. Translation: And mention when Musa said to his people, O my people, remember favors of Allah upon you when He raised prophets among you and He made you kings and gave you what He had not given to any other among the worlds. In the Mawzu al-Quran, it is narrated that Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, when he left the country of his father and he left in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he came in the country of Sham and he stayed there, did not get any children for a long time. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him the glad tidings that among your children I will increase them and will give them the country of Sham, and I will give them the prophethood, the book, the deen, and also the kingdom. And then Hazrat Musa alayhi salam's time, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made that promise come true. He saved Bani Israel from the Fir'aun, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala drowned the nation of Fir'aun, and Fir'aun was drowned too. And then the Bani Israel were ordered to do the fighting with Amalika, who used to live in the country of Sham. And Allah promised them that the country of Sham will be yours. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam sent 12 people from the 12 tribes of Bani Israel to get some information from the country of Sham, and they came back and told that there is lots of goodness in Sham. However, the people who lived there, Amalika, they were very strong and powerful. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam told them not to tell the strength of the people of the Amalika in Sham, but only tell about the goodness of the country of Sham to the people of Bani Israel. However, only 2 out of 12 people followed this commandment of Musa alayhi salam, and the rest of the 10 told the people of Bani Israel that the people are very strong, and the people of Bani Israel rejected the idea of fighting with these people of Amalika, and that is the reason Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave them punishment, and they stayed in the woods for 40 years, and all the people who were of less courage and weak, they died in the woods, and the new generation grew up in the woods, and they were stronger and had more courage, and they fought with the people of Amalika and they got the victory. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning the favors of Allah on Bani Israel, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave them the favor, the biggest favor in the deen, which is the prophethood. And there have been so many prophets in the children of Ibrahim alayhi salam, meaning Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam, Ishaq alayhi salam, Yaqub alayhi salam, Yusuf alayhi salam, and then Musa and Harun alayhi salam. After that, Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam and Sulaiman alayhi salam were also given prophethood and great kingdoms. The worldly highest positions are the freedom and the kingship that were also given to Bani Israel. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.